Today we're going to learn how to use Bloom's Literature. We're going to start from the library's main page, and we're going to scroll down to Library Resources. Once there, we're going to click Research Databases and that link below, and it's going to open, and we're going to scroll down. It is alphabetically listed to Bloom's Literary Reference Online. Click the plus sign, and then Start Now. And welcome to Bloom's Literature, which is a rich and relevant with content on the core authors and works most studied in high school curriculum. You'll find more than 800 full-length videos of literary works, hundreds of full-text classic works, and you'll also find essays and scholarly criticism examining great authors from William Shakespeare to J.K. Rowling. So to begin, they also have How to Write About, which helps you to learn how to write about these authors. They teach you how to write a good essay, and they have a section for preparing to write. In addition, they also have the Shakespeare Center. It is a new resource that provides in-depth multimedia information for those researching Shakespeare, and it also provides Bloom's Literary Canon, which is a wonderful resource for looking up literature from ancient times to the present. So today we're going to look under our most studied author. Toni Morrison is right here, so let's click on Toni Morrison. And so when we open up in Bloom's, you're going to see Toni Morrison, and it's going to give you a little bit of information about Toni Morrison. As the author, it will tell you about what she wrote, and it will tell you about her birth date and other information. You will also see a list of reference articles there on the page, and you see that that is 545 returned. You'll see a criticism, which are available there. There are also literary works, and so if you click on the literary works, it will provide an overview of her works, and in many cases it will provide essay topics for you, and as well as how to write, which is a wonderful resource as you're researching. You'll also be able to find images. These images might be of Toni Morrison, the author. They might be film posters if her books were converted to film. You'll also find book cover photos as well. And if they are available, they will provide a link to videos that you may access. But today we want to circle back, and we want to go into criticisms. And now that we've opened those up, we're going to scroll, and we're going to click on this article. And it will open up, and you can read the article, and there it is for you. And you can scroll to see the entirety of the article. And when you decide, if you decide that this is the article that you would like to reference in a paper, you have a multitude of ways in which to save this article. You can save it to a drive. It will also allow you to create a citation, and of course in MLA, Chicago Manual Style, Harvard or APA formats. You can download the article. You can share the article on social media, print it, or save it. But perhaps one of my most significant features that I think is wonderful is the Read Aloud feature. So you can click the Read Aloud feature, and it will read the article to you. And there you have it. This is Researching with Bloom's Literature. We hope that you try out this resource, and as always, happy searching.